Alright, what's up guys? It's Ace Hood back again. I've had that wide body done for, I'd like to say about a week now. But yeah, let's go check it out. I'm gonna show you what's up. As you can see, I got it painted. Garage is a little bit red now. Definitely should have put some plastic down or something at least, but I'm lazy, you know. Here it is, all color matched. All on, and all good. Boom. Fitment is still ass. Wheels never came in, spacers never came in. But the back is looking mean, bro. I fuck with it. I really like this kit. Fits up really nice too. I repainted my... Oh, what the fuck? How did this happen? Oh well. I repainted my spoiler. It came out like shit. Oh well. I got this paint at Sherman-Williams. They paint matched it off my car. As you can see, it's pretty good. Just needs another coat of clear. I only put 1K clear on it. Definitely use 2K clear when you're matching up to a gloss finish on a car, because 1K just doesn't work. This is 5 coats of 1K clear. And it's just, as you can see, not glossy enough compared to normal paint. It's better on the door because my hood is fucked. My hood is so fucked. But yeah, you can definitely see it here. Way glossier on the door. You come back, almost no gloss at all. Yo, what's up guys? Ace Hood Entertainment here. Today I'm going to be trying to get some more of the wide body kit on. I did some of it without... Alright, so as I'm editing here, I realized that one, I lost a lot of footage, just not on this SD card anymore. Must have been corrupted or something. And two, I did get a little bit lazy. I didn't want to film both sides of the process. And I forgot to film putting the actual rivets in. But that's pretty straightforward. You literally just drill through and then get a rivet nut gun and put the rivets in. And it should line up. You should be able to bolt on the body kit. I also didn't film any of the painting because I didn't want to risk fucking up any of my lenses while I was painting. But yeah, get back into the video. Without y'all, as you can see, I got the front done. Got all the rivet nuts ready. I just don't want the panels on right now because I don't have my wheels or my spacers in yet. So I think it would look really goofy, to be honest. But yeah, today I'm going to be trying to get the... Sorry for all the traffic. I'm going to be trying to get the 2 rear passenger quarters on. This one, this one. I don't know if I'm going to relocate the door panel, to be honest. I might save that for later. I already relocated the fuel door to this panel. I had some chips here. I had to Bondo a little bit. It's not bad. I'm going to get it masked up and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like after.
Look at the sky.
Alright, I think I got it mounted up just about where I can get it fitting up almost perfect with the body lines here and the edges. This masking tape is ass though. This shit does not stick. So when I get to the final stage, I'm gonna have to just push this up just a touch to match up. Same thing with over here. I'm just gonna have to push this up just a touch like this. That way it fits in nice and good. Fuel door still works. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to even bolt this thing on until I get new wheels because that looks fucking bad. It looks so gross. Alright, now I'm just gonna measure out some spacing for the riv nuts, make sure everything's spaced evenly so it doesn't look like garbage. Because I know some of y'all just be going, yep, here, 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 and just sending it. But I can tell, that shit looks like ass. I'm sorry, I cannot do that. But yeah, like I said, I'll be back once I get those holes all lined up, and I'll show you where I decide the placement should be. Alright, I think I got it laid out how I want. One there in the middle, same thing down below. And I got them spaced out on the bottom end. I think it's every 5.5 inches till there. Then one halfway up, 1 inch in. Everything's 1 inch from the bottom as well, just so I don't crack the top edge. 1 inch from the top as well. I think this is about 7.5 inch spacing all the way. And then here, so the window is still fucking functional. I have the 2 up top here. I feel like the door handle, once I relocate it, it'll hold it in pretty good. One in the middle here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 along here. Alright, got y'all set up on the GoPro. I'm about to start drilling. This is the scariest part of it all. Once you drill, you can't unfucking drill. Oh, shit. Using some self-tappers just to get started, to get my starting line, and after that I got some rib nuts. I'm using size M6. Alright, here we go. Probably don't wear shorts while you're doing this, or short sleeves, because the fiberglass is pretty annoying. Not gonna lie. Window regulator or something. Alright, the next pain in the ass spot is definitely gonna be right here. There's no flat spots on it, but I definitely want to have that drilled in somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna hold it to where I think it needs to go and just try to shove a self-tapper up in there, you know? There we go. Ended up working out pretty good. It's lined up pretty damn good all the way around. It's a little bit wavy right here, but shit, you know, what the fuck can you do? What can you do? Body lines match up pretty damn good, not gonna lie. Alright, let's see if I can't put y'all back somewhere to give y'all a better angle again. Alright, as you can see, I'm running out of daylight here. Well, I did run out of daylight, but I got it all in. Well, got it all self-tapped for now anyways. All this tape can come off. Yeah, I'll probably, shit, tomorrow's Monday. After work, I'll try to finish up the backside. I'm gonna order my rims tomorrow. Hopefully those will be in decently soon. I can, you know, fuck, be a hot boy. Be a nice wide hot boy. See if I can't hit. That is very wide. Welcome back, guys. All right, today I'm gonna get the rear bumper spread on. That should complete the rear end, make it look nice and wide all the way back, connect the back bumper. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this shit's gonna turn out. Stay tuned. I got the rear sprat in. I think what I'm gonna do is use some sort of mesh to fill this in. Just super glue some mesh up in here. So I didn't like it with this pushed all the way back in. That shit looked ugly as fuck. In this little gap, I'm just gonna Bondo this and paint it, color match it. Another little tip, when you drill these holes out that you make with the self-tappers, make sure you lay some tape over each hole before you drill it out. That way it'll keep the fiberglass from separating and cracking a little bit. So for the gas cap relocation, I noticed a lot of people don't do this with this kit. I don't know if mine just didn't fit good or what, but I just honestly used some sheet metal, bent it up, self-tapped it into place, and then I trimmed the self-tappers. I'm probably gonna Bondo over these. I'm gonna trim it a little bit more and Bondo over these, just so it looks nicer. And then yeah, it still doesn't even fit the best, to be honest, but my spring was broken. This piece right here, broken on mine, so it never stayed latched. So this is actually perfect that it catches on the corner right here a little bit. I don't mind it. I'm not super picky about what my kit's gonna be looking like, to be honest with y'all. Yeah, I hope that helps. Like I said, I know there's another kit that actually comes with a tab that comes in here, that comes out like right here, where you can mount your gas door. But this works for me. I don't mind it. Hey, yo, what is up, guys? Ace Hood back here. I've had the wide body on for about, I'd say a week, maybe almost even 2 weeks now. And it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I got it paint matched. I got this paint from Sherwin-Williams. I cut out a piece of my trunk for them to use because they literally wouldn't use my car as a reference, even though I drove my car to Sherwin-Williams. It's kind of fucked up, but I'll show you what I did. I'll show you what I used here in my garage quick. And where was AC? That is loud. So at Sherwin-Williams, everything's a mess right now, but they sell these little aerosol cans. And I just bought, what is this, a quart? I think it's like a quart of paint. Pints? I don't know. But yeah, it comes with this little glass bottle you fill up. You can spray it through aerosol. And then for the clear coat, I used 1K, use 2K, spend the extra money, get 2K clear, because if not, that shit does not match up, bro. It's not glossy enough. You really need the 2K for it to match up. I'll show you here. So this is after like 4 or 5 coats. It has a little bit of gloss to it, but then you come to factory paint, it's so much more glossy, man. And you can especially tell here where I covered up the Bondo. So I had to cover in my old spoiler holes when I had an eclipse wing on this thing. And you can just see it's not glossy at all compared to the normal paint. But yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. Came out pretty nice. From the back, it definitely looks mean. But if you come in looking from the side, honestly, it looks like it could be stock. If I molded it, you probably wouldn't even be able to tell it's wide-bodied. Which I really like. I don't want to be too flashy in this thing. But yeah, here you go, guys. It's all done, all finished. Hopefully pretty soon my wheels and spacers will come in. No more 16s, we're rocking 18s. Probably gonna need like 1-inch spacers all around with this dumbass gap. Till next time, peace out, boys.